Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable data saver on X or Twitter. So all you have to do now is open your settings. You can scroll down and you can go to accessibility, display and languages. Here there is a 4 option: the accessibility, the first one, the display, second one, languages in third, and the fourth is data usage. Limit how X uses some of your network data. These settings affect all the X accounts on this device. You can tap it, and here we go. The first option is data saver. You can enable this. When enabled, videos will not autoplay and lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all X accounts on this device. So when you are using your carrier or your mobile data, please enable this data saver to limit or to a minimum usage of your data when you access Twitter. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.